General awareness.
Watch, listen, and speak.
Myself.
My name is Juju.
My name is Aspara.
I am a boy.
I am a girl.
I am 5 years old.
I am a 3 years old.
I love my family.
I have a pet dog.
Apple is my favorite fruit.
Orange is my favorite fruit.
I like to draw.
I like to read.
Seasons.
Winter season. Spring season. Summer season. Raining season. Air transport. Aeroplane. Helicopter. Parachute. Road transport. Bike. Car. Bus. Truck. Water transport. Boat. Ship. Colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown. Gray. Black. White. Manners. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. Use zebra crossing for crossing the road only after the vehicle stopped. Greet others. Help others. Clean your surroundings. Respect elders. Let's share with friends. Say thank you when someone gives you something. Habits. Have bath regularly. Comb your hair daily. Exercise daily. Go to bed early. Go to school on time. Finish your work in time. Brush your teeth twice a day. Use dustbin for garbage or waste. Wash your hands before and after eating. Wake up early in the morning.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.